Welcome to the webinar. We are now ready to begin. Ashish, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Kunal, for the introduction. And I really appreciate everyone taking out their time and joining us today for the session, Living Life to the Fullest. I'll be conducting this session along with Dr. Nupur, who is joining me from London in UK. Dr. Nupur is a medical doctor and a certified mindfulness practitioner. She has worked very closely with the hospitals in the NHS healthcare system, working with cancer patients, and her research has been published and also won awards. So very happy to have Dr. Nupur join us.
Thank you, Ashish.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Nupur. We assure each one of you that we will do our best to make this investment of time worth your while. And what we would like to begin by asking you is, and I'll request Kunal to please allow everybody to speak by unmuting themselves, is what does living to the fullest mean to you? What does living to the fullest potential, mean to you? So happy to hear if you can share your thoughts in the chat, or you can unmute yourself and speak. We'll be happy to hear from you, because that is very important for us to understand before we move forward. And there are no right or wrong answers, so please feel free to share.
We've got a message saying being content with life.
All right, money-wise, health-wise. Okay, that's very good, Ashmita. Thanks for sharing that. So being content is Ashmita's way of living life to the fullest, because it releases a lot of energy. Whenever we are living in a state of lack, whenever we feel that this is missing in my life, we fritter away our energy and we lose our power. So being content is very important. Happy and positive in all situations. That's awesome, Ninaji. Very happy to hear that, and I think you completely embody that. So how can we live like victors, and not as victims, is what I think Ninaji is trying to say. So thank you very much, Ninaji and Ashmita, for sharing that. Anybody else? And while we're waiting for responses from others, would you like to share how can we go about living life to the fullest, and why is it that it is important for us to live life to the fullest? Why is a very important question to answer. And, once we answer why this is important, why being content with life or happy and positive is important, then it leads to transformational results. So let us pay some attention to why, this is important for us. And once we start figuring out why, then the how and what will kind of take care of itself. So the starting point is the why. And most of the times we get caught up and the how and what of doing things, but not paying much attention to the why.